What's going on, guys? It's Jairaj and it's time for tech news. Let's begin.
TikTok, TikTok, TikTok. You can't stay out of the tech news, do you? News is coming that TikTok is placed under national security review in the US. If this goes right, then it might get banned in US. And after US and India banning Chinese application, Japan is considering to ban Chinese app including TikTok.
Intel's new processor might be made by TSMC instead of making it in-house. TSMC won't be making extra capacity for Intel. This might affect shortages for AMD. This might be win for Intel-based devices. Mark Zuckerberg, Sundar Pichai, Jeff Bezos, and Tim Cook, they are the CEOs of Facebook, Google, Amazon, Apple, respectively, were in antitrust hearing. If you want to know more about it, The Verge made a short video on the details. Next news is coming from Google is that they forced the company they bought previously named North, who made Focal smart glasses, to just stop working after July 31st. If you were on internet from past few days, you might have heard rumors that PUBG might get banned in India. So to avoid it, PUBG Mobile changed its terms and conditions for Indian users and specified that their data will be stored in Indian servers, as well as for some time some parts of its title were written in Hindi to butter Indian government. I will simply tell you, Tencent writing names in Hindi would help if government wants to ban it. Next update is coming from CES 2021 is that it would be in digital format due to this pandemic. There are rumors that COD mobile might get banned in India. Tell me what are you or thoughts on all this ban situation going in India in comments below. As you might know that lots of OnePlus phone have AMOLED display, but they don't have always on display. But OnePlus says that they will be giving always on display on their devices. YouTube will be giving 100 kids movies and YouTube special for free, and every Monday you will be getting new content for free until 31st August. This is great for kids. Xiaomi new patent suggests that its TWS will be stored in the phone, similar concept to S Pen, but for TWS and on top side. It would be great. You won't require to carry earphones separately. Flipkart Quick Service launched in Bangalore, which would be available in 6 more Indian cities soon, in which daily products will be delivered within 90 minutes. Note that you need to pay delivery charges for that. Total number of products that can be delivered via this service is more than 2000. Great news for Google employees. Google says that its employees can work from home till June 2021. Government of India launched new app called Mosam to get weather details after the huge success of Arogya Setu app. Reports are coming that Asus ROG Phone 3 has hidden settings for 160 Hz refresh rate, but company has kept it hidden. Let's see what Asus tells about it. Qualcomm announces Quick Charge 5, which can charge 4500 mAh battery in 5 minutes. Now you know why it's called Quick Charge 5. It can take 100 plus watt of charging from your wall. If you were thinking to buy OnePlus Nord, then you may rethink on it because OnePlus Nord failed its durability test as shown by Generic Everything. Face ID will be coming to Mac as reported by 9 to 5 Mac. One question for Apple. What are you doing? Previously you were one to bring features first, but now it's not. If you have ton of money to waste, then you can buy 24 karat gold PS5 on sale during holidays. This will cost several $1,000 and will be available in limited numbers. Next news from Poland is that students will be playing video games in school. The game named War of Mine is added in their school curriculum. I would like to have similar kind of implementation in Indian schools. Delhi's chief minister launched new app called Rozgar Bazaar, which is basically a job portal. Is good for people who are currently unemployed. Government banned 47 more apps in India, which were basically clone apps of previously banned apps. One of the famous Indian YouTuber named Carrie Minati's second channel named Carrie's Live was hacked, and hackers were using his old live streams for Bitcoin donation. Don't worry, now its channel is recovered by YouTube team. JLR launches No Touch Touchscreen, which is AI powered solution that will know what you want to touch without clicking the touchscreen. Whoa, that's awesome. Reports are coming from 9 to 5. Google Camera 7.5 will add new features to Pixel devices according to APK teardown. It also confirms Pixel 5 and Pixel 4 XL. Features that 9 to 5 Google found were motion blur, audio zoom similar to S series, flash intensity, video sharing. Google removed 29 apps due to adware. Most of them were apps related to adding blur in photos. I will simply tell you guys that don't install non-trusted apps even if its name is catchy. Rumors are coming that Apple AR glass might get merged with 3D audio technology so that you can have better experience. Let's see what Apple does and with its glasses. We are waiting for you too, Google Glasses. CERT India found a new app Trojan that can steal your bank app data. Please don't install untrusted applications on your device unless you don't care. Wait, I was joking. Take it seriously even if you don't care about your data. As Bixby's days, Google is negotiating with Samsung to push Assistant over Bixby. I would say that Samsung must accept that offer and use it on R&D for new tech. Apple is working on bone conduction technology according to new patents. It looks weird in the patent. Hopefully, they will improve its design. Android phones can now recognize a nearby Fitbit device that needs to set up. It's good to see that Google is making its ecosystem a lot more efficient. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to JD Tech Link. Don't forget, I am going to bring more interesting news like this every week.